ये इंग्लिश की टीचिंग मेथड, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज टीचिंग, मोटिवेशन एंड इंटरेस्टेड. मोटिवेशन is crucial of success language learning. Teacher should strive to create a stimulating and engaging learning environment. This can be achieved by using drives, teaching aids, chart, picture, flashcard, or models relating contact to student interested and real life experiences, making learning fun through games and interactive activity, setting clear goals and acknowledging progress to foster and a sense of achievement, intimation and habits formation. Language learning is legally a process of intimation and habit formation. Students acquire language patterns by repeatedly practicing, participating, correct form. Teacher provide stable model, stable model, suitable model through tips, recording और their own speech. इंग्लिश में आतंग है. Incentive practice and drill help student internalize grammatical structure and vocabulary. Focus is on acquired reproduction of sound, word and sentence until they become automatic. Individual difference. Every learner is unique, processing different abilities, learning style, pure knowledge, and cultural background. Effective ELT account for these different. Teachers should vary teaching methods and made real to cater to divider needs. Differentiated interaction ensures that all learners, regardless of their proficiency level, can access and engage with the content, providing options for tasks and allowing for varied response times can support individual learning process. Peace. Oral approaches, speech test, is speech processed, reading and writing. Learning to speak a language is often the quickest way to gain overall proficiency. Intel interaction should prioritize listening and speaking in English. Classroom activities should create Apple appropriate oral communication. Reading and writing skill are built upon a function of the oral proficiency. Selection and gradation. Language material should be carefully selected and graded for presentation. These involves selection, choosing vocabulary and grammatical structure based on their frequency of use, range of application, and teachability. Teachability. Gradation, arranging the select material in a logical and commutative cumulative sequence, moving from simple to complex. For example, basic sentence patterns and assistant vocabulary are touched before more complex structure. Liking with life contextualization. Language learning is most effective when it's contacted connected to students' real lives and meaningful context. Lesson should incorporate situation and topics relevant student daily experience. Language items should be parented in the context to help student under, understand their meaning and appropriate use. Authentic materials and real world tasks enhance engagement and practical application. Communicative competence. The ultimate goal of language teaching is to development communicative competence, enability learners to use the language effectively and appropriately in various situations. Emphasis is placed on meaningful interaction and authorities communication rather than just grammatical accuracy in isolation. Activities focus on functions of language, writing, requesting, describing, and notation time quality. Across are seen as a neutral part of the learning process and are addressed con- constructively, prioritizing fluency over immediate perfections. Concrete to abstract teaching should program progress from contact example to abstract concept being with tangibly objects, visual aids, and dream on stations that students can see and feel. Once concrete understanding is established, introducts more abstract concepts like grammar, rules, or complex ideas. This maximum helps in building a solid functions for the understanding. Know and unknown, known and unknown, known to unknown. Interaction should build up student exciting knowledge, moving from what they already know to what is new. Teachers should activities period knowledge whether in the student native language or in English. New concepts are then introduced by relating them to familiar ones, creating a smoother learning curve. इमिटेड और करेक्शन एंड फीडबैक ये पढ़ेंगे अगले वीडियो में। चैनल को शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। धन्यवाद।